Hello to everybody in the Amazon world. Today, a new product for you, a shower caddy basket set. Now, this one can be mounted in multiple ways, adhesive or nail installation. So of course, we're gonna get on our overhead rig here. We're gonna take a look at this thing. Special thanks to the company here. Special thanks to this company for sending me the product. And so we're gonna get on the overhead rig, open it up, and then I'm actually gonna put it in my shower, put some shampoo and stuff in it, and show you this product in use. So let's check it out. All right, special thanks to the company for sending this to me. Shower caddy basket set. Simplicity is fashion. So this one has an adhesive installation, nail installation, and strong weight capacity, and it's waterproof, which it should be. Company name there. It's a 2-pack. Wow, there's 2 in here, okay. Also company name there, nothing there, nothing there. So let's slide this out. See what we have, and that's it for the box. So very nice. I like the black look. Very nice. Okay. Oh, whoa, this is like a 4-pack. It's really a 2-pack. It's just I didn't know you really got all this. And you've also got these with little hooks there. Very nice. You can hang your loofahs here, drill this into the wall, put you one thing here, and put you like 3. This is awesome. I'm gonna actually use screws to mount this. And there's all the screws that come with it and anchors that you'll need. And then this is like the adhesive hooks. Wow, everything you would need. Very nice. I myself, since we just moved here, I'm actually gonna mount these permanently. I see no reason not to. I may actually not even use these and just end up using both of these. One in the front for my queen, one in the back of the shower for me. One's a little smaller than the other one. So yeah, I guess let's go get in the bathroom and drill these into the wall and see what they look like. Got our super nice shower curtain. It's yellow. So now gotta get a stud finder because I want to find where the studs are. But I'm planning to put one long one up here and then one long one over here. So that hopefully all of our stuff that's down here will fit up there, and because of how high this is, my wife won't have an issue reaching the stuff up here. So this should work. Let's figure out where the studs are. Let's see. So in all of like 60 seconds, I got both screws in and this thing is mounted. Now I can hang our loofahs on it. All these little hooks here on the front. Oh yeah. Bingo. Now let's get the second one in back here. And there we go, another 60 seconds. That one is up. So now I can really take stuff, put it up here, my body wash. There we go, that's all my stuff. Other than this, bingo. And then hers, that one's a little heavy, put it in the middle. That we both use. So there we go. That's the shower caddies. I used the screws to install them, worked perfectly. Absolutely love these things. Everything that my wife will use, everything that I will use. And then of course, I still have these, which I may end up using these in the guest bathroom. We just needed those other 2 for ours. I don't know, but I like these. 2 thumbs up. Thanks to the company for sending them to me, and this is what you can expect.